Most people have no idea how fast digital twin technology is advancing. But today, you're about to discover 10 startups that are changing the world before most of the world even knows their names. From simulating entire cities before they're built to predicting failures in critical systems before they happen. And the final startup on this list, it could be the biggest breakthrough in sustainable cities we've ever seen. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. Did you know that 80% of a product's environmental impact is determined before it's even made? That's because traditional prototyping wastes time, materials, and resources. You-Need 3D is fixing this. The startup uses high-fidelity digital twins to simulate and test product designs before they exist in the real world. From mechanical stress to aerodynamics, engineers can tweak every variable in a fully interactive 3D environment, cutting costs, reducing waste, and accelerating innovation. But what if digital twins could tackle one of the biggest challenges on the planet, climate change? Let's talk about Carbon Tribe. This startup creates digital twins of entire supply chains, tracking energy use, emissions, and material flows in real time. But let's zoom in from the supply chain to something even more critical, our cities. What if a city could heal itself, predict traffic congestion before it happens, fix power outages before they start? AI Hotel is turning that sci-fi vision into reality. Their AI-driven digital twins help cities simulate energy consumption, transportation patterns, and even emergency response scenarios. The system pulls in data from sensors, IoT devices, and even social media to make sure city planners aren't just reacting to problems, they're preventing them. And speaking of smarter planning, what if construction could be fully optimized before a single crane moves? Enter CM Builder. Picture this, you're designing a high-rise, and before the first brick is laid, you already know how every system will perform. CM Builder makes that possible. This startup creates detailed interactive construction models where architects, engineers, and contractors can test structural integrity, material choices, and safety protocols in real time. One mistake in construction can cost millions in rework. But with CM Builder's AI-powered predictive analysis, those costly mistakes gone before they ever happen. But digital twins aren't just about what's being built. They're also about how things perform in the real world. That's where N-Report comes in. Power grids aren't just outdated, they're blind. Most energy networks operate without real-time visibility, which means companies don't know there's a problem until something fails. N-Report's digital twins give energy providers a real-time simulation of their entire network. Every substation, every transformer, every inch of wiring mapped, analyzed, and optimized. But digital twins aren't just about predicting failures. They can also revolutionize how we design high-performance machinery. Let's talk about NewTwin. Some mechanical failures cost companies millions in lost revenue. But what if machines could predict their own breakdowns weeks in advance? By integrating AI-driven simulations with real-time sensor data, their models detect even the smallest performance anomalies long before humans would notice. In industries where a single hour of downtime can mean a six-figure loss, NewTwin is the ultimate safeguard. But what about the most complex machine of all, the human body? That's where AI Body comes in. What if doctors could see exactly how your body responds to a treatment before they prescribe it? AI Body builds digital twins of the human body, allowing doctors and researchers to simulate drug interactions, predict disease progression, and personalize treatments. The implications? Faster drug development, safer medical trials, more effective treatments. Moving on, another startup is transforming pharma manufacturing. Irish startup BlinkSolve created a digital twin simulator for pharma plants. From raw materials to finished medicine, their system predicts bottlenecks, quality issues, and inefficiencies in real time. What sets BlinkSolve apart? Deep domain knowledge. This isn't a generic solution. It's built specifically for pharma manufacturing, fitting into existing workflows. Next, we journey to Mongolia. Andorian combines LiDAR technology and point cloud data to create high-resolution 3D terrain models of mine sites. By incorporating GIS and real-time environmental data, and Dorian enables mining companies to simulate scenarios, monitor terrain changes, and optimize extraction strategies. This comprehensive approach allows for more efficient and environmentally conscious mining operations. And now, our final startup, Symphony. This startup builds AI digital twins that simulate entire energy ecosystems. The platform shows cities and companies how to balance renewable and traditional energy sources. By simulating real-world conditions, the startup analyzes energy demand, supply options, and system efficiencies. Apart from this, its interactive dashboard provides data-driven insights to fine-tune operations, reduce waste, and identify the most sustainable strategies. From digital humans to entire smart cities, these startups are proving that the future is being built in the virtual world first. But the real opportunity? Seeing it before everyone else does. Our Discovery platform gives you exclusive access to 781 cutting-edge digital twin startups before they go mainstream. Don't wait for the future. Find it first. Click the link below for your free demo.